Welcome in once again to Bitcoin Climate, where we observe the climatic current pulse and forecast of Bitcoin during the past few days. Guys, welcome in. This content is not official financial advice. It is for educational purposes only. Guys, the Fear and Greed Index is currently at around 47. It's neutral as we speak, guys. It was in fear yesterday of 41. Wow. But in the last 48 hours, Bitcoin's price has jumped up. So people are excited again, back into neutral. They just don't know what the markets are going to do. But again, if we see the chart here, we go to the 1 year, we see that this downtrend is continuing. And if 33 here, the pivot low breaks, man, then is going to be the official start of a new downtrend. So that's what we're keeping an eye out for in the next couple of days, man. We had a small bump here, but all in all, lower lows, lower highs, and the downtrend continues in the Fear and Greed Index as well as in the charts. But we'll get to that in a bit. Before then, we can see Bitcoin's current price at $26,377, up almost 4% in the last 24 hours. Not bad. Weekly wise, it's pretty stable. The markets have been volatile, especially the altcoin market with the SEC and all that good stuff going on. But Bitcoin has been stable for the last 7 days, essentially. You know what I mean? So let's dig in a little bit more. We see a 4% increase in the market cap at 511, almost $12 billion. The volume is down about 5%, with $17.5 billion being traded in the last 24 hours, with a price of $26,000, almost $400 as well per BTC. So all in all, BTC, with all this SEC nonsense and regulation and all that, has been pretty stable because it's not affected by it. But the price increase of 4% in the last 24 hours is all those altcoins are being sold into Bitcoin for safety. And that's pushing up the price a little bit. But again, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Right here really does help out the channel. Click that bell. Also helps out to keep you informed with our latest and greatest content. And also, don't forget to like the button, as it really does help out with the algorithm, just to find great people like you guys. Also, we provide educational content via this free educational playlist. Link in the description down below. All you have to do is click on it, pencil, pen, piece of paper, educational presentations here, guys. It never gets old to get educated. Free education in crypto. Now coming back to the charts. Wow, guys, what a candle today. What a candle. As we can see, Bitcoin continues to pump off the local lows of $25,000. We've been talking about this support, man, for a while on the channel, just for months, man, since we started this uptrend months ago. And April was the top, and we continue the downtrend into this pivotal support that we said that we would most likely, based on probabilities, do so. And now it's finally nice. It's good. It feels great to see it pan out that way, just based on technical analysis. We did have a jump today again with the RSI. That's considerable, that impulse, that momentum coming back into Bitcoin again. My opinion is that altcoins are being sold into Bitcoin right now due to the regulatory pressure and uncertainty caused by the SEC and all that nonsense. But we'll see how that plays out into the future. But all in all, we see lower highs and lower lows for Bitcoin. Actually, if we can draw something, some trend line here, we could basically do this, and then off the lows, just see that Bitcoin is essentially in the channel, in a downtrending channel here. You know what I mean? And it's respected it, so I'll leave that there. And right now, price action is just trading in between, but 25K is that pivotal support, as we're going to see on the weekly chart. And yeah, right now, Bitcoin is trading inside, going sideways. A lot of volatility in the last 48 hours. You know what I mean? Because this is a pivotal support level. Clear buy wick with today's candle, green positive bullish candle. Right now, we're at resistance once again of $26,513. So let's see how it plays out in the next couple of days. If we're going to revisit, the top part of this channel, or if we're going to go back down to revisit the lows and possibly break down below. So we'll see. On the weekly, as we can see here, man, we had this strong uptrend from the lows, right, for a couple of months, and now we see the clear retracement for the last 2 months here, just retracing down to where exactly that support line that we've been having on the weekly for months on the channel. TA is just beautiful, man. The way it works, it's amazing. Now we had a strong bounce off support where you see this green positive bullish candle with the buy pressure here and the buy wick, and right now it's just battling the 21 weekly moving average and the 26,600 resistance level as well. So right now Bitcoin is very indecisive, in the sense that it's been in this macro downtrend for 2 months. It's not showing it there. My bad, guys. But yeah, and now it's deciding, is the downtrend going to continue below this strong support that was resistance back here and resistance back here as well, and bounce up and make a new local high, or we're going to continue to break down towards that $18,000 to $20,000 range once again, guys. So we'll see. I mean, the next level would be 21.8, and then 20,900, and so on and so forth. But this is the pivotal one, man. If 25K breaks, we expect, man, at least 20K once again to be revisited in the next couple of weeks. Then we move on again, the weekly chart on here with the indicators. We see a little bit of a bump here, so this is acting as support, this 50 level on the weekly RSI. But really the stochastic is, you know, it paints the picture to the story. Is losing momentum on the weekly. Yes, we have currently the small bounce here, but look at the candle size. It's small compared to the other ones. And yeah, the downtrend still continues. It's all about that 25K level for Bitcoin, and we'll see how that reacts in the next couple of days to weeks. Guys, the Bitcoin dominance, wow, it continues to just move towards the upside in a rampant manner. Why? Like I said, charts like these validate my stance in the sense with the facts, talking about the dominance, Bitcoin dominating the altcoin market, regulatory pressure, people are panicking, selling their altcoins into Bitcoin and ETH, but mainly Bitcoin. As you can see, that the dominance is going to be 51% in no time right now, because it pierced the previous highs, you know, the previous resistance, confirmed that support, boom, is going to be coming up to that 51% range sooner rather than later. If that breaks, guys, man, we expect that 60%, man. So honestly, things might start ramping up. Of course, we're a little bit overextended on with the indicators, but you just never know, man. Once these things break, these things do tend to break out fast and strong. So I'll keep you guys informed with regards to that. Guys, don't forget, link in the description down below, our website, great tools and resources for you guys. Thank you so much for your time, for your support, and for your attention. Hope you guys have a good one.